Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how CapCut can autocorrect your clips with a single click. Let's do it! Alright, I've got this clip in my timeline, let's check it out. Alright, but the bright and the contrast are kind of dull. So I'll go here in the Adjustment tab, Basic sub-tab, and all I've got to do is click in Auto Adjust. Let's see. Amazing. And I can adjust its intensity. I guess 100% it's a little bit too much. I will stay here in 50%. That's the before. And that's after. And that's it. If you like this content and want to support my channel, just hit the join button and become a member. You'll get access to all my videos 1 month ahead. And don't forget to like and subscribe to always get new content. See ya!